Y'all, it's time for another product review. This time we're reviewing our GDealer digital thermometer. Let me pull out my box. Comes with this nice little box. It's DT9/DT6. Comes with a little styrofoam padded box. And inside there's a pamphlet to help tell you what your temperature should be, which is very handy. And there's a little thing to open up the battery compartment, which is handy. So, there's my lovely assistant's steak that I just took off. She likes hers well done. And the guide says like 145 to 155 for well done. That's 152. So, just right, huh? I wanted mine medium. And which should be about 135. It's 144. So it's a little hot. But I did sear it at the end. I seared it, both of them, because that's where the flavor is, y'all. Anyway, it's also magnetic, which is handy. This has kept us from getting sick and having botulism, so it's a winner. And I give it many stars. So that's my review. Thanks for watching, and y'all have a great day.